How to share template in Notion. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. But let's just get started right away. And as you can see, I'm over here inside of Notion, and here we can see the template gallery. Now, if I scroll to the bottom, it says become a Notion creator today. Submit your template. So this means that I am actually not a Notion creator, but I will show you guys how to share a template because the process is pretty much the same as sharing a page. So if I now go to a page, for example, this one over here, let's say this were to be my template and I want to share this, what I can now do is go to the top right corner. Here I can see share, and it says share or publish to the web. So here you can pretty much share it. You can copy the link. You can here publish it to the web so that anyone can find it. And via that way, you can here select access or send it to a specific person. And via that way, you can actually share your Notion template. So that is pretty much it. That's super quick. And that is how to share template in Notion.